Hi, Sabrina. Can I help you?
Hello, is this KFC?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I have a question about your new chicken fillet.
Okay.
Okay. Now I just ordered it, and my wedding is today, and I am having some bowel problems. Now, does that have a lot of pepper in it?
You have what?
Is there pepper in your chicken?
You have what?
Pepper. Pepper. Like salt and pepper.
1 second, please. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second.
Okay.
Hey, can I help you?
Hello. I just bought your chicken fillet. Now, does that have pepper on it?
Does that have pepper on it?
Yes, pepper.
Pepper on it? 1 second, we'll find out.
Okay, thank you.
Was it the original or the grilled?
I don't know. It was just very crunchy.
Okay.
Okay.
It was crunchy. Yeah. Yeah, there is pepper on that.
There is. Okay. Well, now I have a very serious problem. Okay, I am allergic to pepper, and I was wondering, it burns. It burns very bad. I am having explosive diarrhea, and it hurts very, very bad. Now, my wedding is today, and brown does not go on a white dress. Now, is there any way you can help me? Because I do not have a doctor in America. In U.S. She hung up.
You laughed.
I know I laughed.